Hello everyone. So one more thing, I know that in some of the videos that I created, I mentioned something about the interim and how I wasn't very sure if they were going to have you complete it because you came in partway through the beginning of the first semester, but they are going to have you do the interim. So I just want to kind of give you a heads up with that. So the interim is scheduled to start on this Friday, the 5th, October the 5th. So you have until the 8th to do the interim. So you can do it on the 5th. If you want to work on the weekend, you can do it the 6th, the 7th, or the 8th. This is when it is due. I will tell you that the interim is being closed on the 9th or 19th. It will be closed at that time. So the availability for this test will end at that moment. So for this, it's a kind of like a midpoint exam, just to kind of see how you're doing. There's 2 reading passages and 15 questions, I believe. So just do your absolute best. It is worth 30 points and it is counting as a grade. So be sure to do. Sorry, my dog started barking. Just be sure to do your absolute best. So to get to it, when we go into the classroom, I'm going to go back to the home page and we're going to go into Unit 3. That's exactly where you will find that uh, interim at. So we're going to open that up real quick. And once we get to Unit 3, we're going to scroll all the way down to, we're going to scroll all the way down past Edgar Allan Poe. So what you completed for the beginning of the week, and then you're going to see the interim here. So once we click on that, what you're going to do is you are going to, on the 5th, you will have the availability starting at 8 a.m. It is multiple choice, but basically you are going to read two reading passages and answer 15 multiple choice questions. And then you will have 90 minutes to complete the quiz before it's flagged as late. So once you open it and start it. Some of you, it's not going to take that long. Some of you, it may. So just something that we will make sure that you are aware of. So yes, if you remember the conversation we had before, we weren't really sure if you were going to be doing it, but you are doing the interim. So we want to make sure that everyone completes that by October 8th. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. But should be pretty straightforward. And good luck.